Hey everybody, how's it going today? I'm getting out finally for a ride with my young lad. I haven't rode with him it's been a few years. You know what? Since the midwife got her ATV, we haven't even been out for an ATV ride together. The last time we went for a good ride was out on snowmobiles. And that was far too long ago. It's a lot warmer out than the last time I rode, but we had a deep freeze just a few days ago, and it's mild today, so who knows what the conditions will be like.
Oh, check out the goggles. The goggles look good. Look like you know what you're doing. It almost like you look like you know what you're doing almost. That's deep there. There should be probably some deep spots. Do
you remember when we went sledding the last time and then I got stuck?
Oh yeah. I remember that. You wanted to go home. Oh, I think I just want to go home. I'm like, oh, it'll be fine. Well, it's really deep. If you try to take a couple runs at it, you might be all right. Okay. Well, just try not to get it where it's hopping like that so much. I don't know, man. I might have to pull you. It's pretty deep. I don't know. Give her the bean and see what happens. Oh, you're hung up pretty good. Said it gets deeper up here, I think. Well, they're just plowing the snow. Yeah, baby, come on! Give her! Don't stop! Yeah! Oh, that's pretty bad.
Let's go back a little bit more.
Yeah, well, I just make a bit of track, then you sort of pack it down. Whew. All right. Yeah. It's a lot warmer than it was last time. Oh, that was a deep snowdrift. Holy frig. You got her.
So as I'm riding along here, I'm realizing how special this day is becoming. We don't get to spend as much time together as we used to. Heck, I used to coach him in hockey for many, many years. We used to go riding and play out at the lake. But now he's got a son, which makes me a grandpa, and it's pretty cool. I also have a flashback here, remembering times I used to go out ice fishing with my dad and his buddies. Basically, I would drive the snowmobile around and then sit around and drink beer. Hopefully my son and I, we can continue to make these special memories. And hopefully one day with my grandson.
it's a good little climb, but it's not too bad. This thing make it up fine. So you gotta go to the left. The right's pretty, I wouldn't try it. So this, you should be all right just in my tracks, but the thing is, you don't want to get it to where if you get to a spot where you have to stop, because then you gotta back up. So if you need to give her a little extra jam, you need to, but try to get your speed up so you just carry it up, but you should be fine. But see, it's pretty deep in here. That's it. Give her. Yeah. Nice. There you go.
As I approach the spot, I remember how tricky and off-camber it can be. And I also remember the first time I took the Mudwife down this trail. But we were going the other direction, and before I could get her to go around it, she went for it and kind of scared herself. She wasn't too happy with me on that one.
Go right there. Yeah. It looks like the side-by-side went across right there. So right about there, it's pretty deep. But if you broke through, like I said before, if you broke through, right? With the way the weather's been, I wouldn't trust it. I don't know, we could go across if we wanted to, but...
The old abandoned golf course in Westbrook.
Yeah, the Westbrook Golf Course, yeah.
Yeah, there's like something does it like this.
Yeah, well, it's got a big creek that goes through it, yeah. We used to always go play that at night.
Yeah.
And it was like cheap. And then we'd stop at the one hole where the water hole, and we go get golf balls. All right, let's give it a try. Actually, here, you film me going across. It's on.
Go down there.
Man down. Oh, I think it's pretty shallow here.
So I mentioned earlier about the weird weather we were having, and I knew the ice was going to be unpredictable. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going nice and slow just to test the strength of the ice to see if my front end's going to break through. It turned out to be solid and not a big deal.
It's not that deep there.
You can see it.
Yeah, you can see the bottom there.
Deep there?
Is it?
Yeah, it's a lot deeper than there.
Did you get a soaker?
No.
Okay. It's a good thing you got your rubber boots. Here, throw me that over. I'll get you going across. Ah! Nice one. All right, here he comes. No problem for the 570.
Nice.
Good breakthrough. Oh yeah. Yeah, once you break through, it's you just gotta find some traction. I broke through up here. Oh jeez. Oh. Oh, I just fell through again. Oh, I'd try it if you want. He's gonna try it. Yeah, whatever. No, you'll get her. What? You'll get her. I got the bad stuff broke up. Okay, what I want you to do is put your front locker on. So your four-wheel drive switch, the four-wheel drive switch, just push it ahead and hold it. Okay, that'll lock the front wheels in for you. You'll have a better time climbing. Ugh. There. Okay, you work the throttle. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, a little more, it's okay. Okay, easy, easy. Another problem, the back's getting jammed on the ice. Whoa. There's no center there. I gotta soak it. My knee wet. Yeah, there's no. I didn't step in the center. Well, that ice is more solider.
Now they say that no ice is safe ice, but this little section proved to be no problem at all.
Oh! So this isn't very deep here. I mean, that's got a deep spot. I went over that the other day and other people went through. There's a good chance breaking through would be a lot harder. Look at that. We're making progress. Yeah, buddy. Give her, bud. You'll be all right. Probably. Oh, yeah. Yeah, give her. Oh, if you go back a little bit and try it again, I think you got her. Just that big ice chunk was what was doing it for me. Uh-oh. I might need to move that. Go ahead, back up like you're doing. Oh, yeah, it's this thing right here. Oh, I'm on an island. Ah, I'll try it again. It'll be good. Oh, try it. Now you're hitting the ice behind you now. Try forward again. If not, I'll try and move that. Okay. Yeah, winch. Keep winching. Is the winch going in? Uh-oh. Okay, whoa, stop. So you can go backwards. Let the winch out. Okay, stop. Okay, now winch in. Okay, gas. Yeah, winch, gas. There you go. Stop. The winch, catch up. Bring your winch in. Yeah, winch, little gas. Yeah. There you go. Whoop. You can drive ahead. I think you're good. If you can just drive, I think you're okay. Right. There you go. Oh man, we made it back. That turned into quite the ride. We broke through the ice in a few places, which I thought was probably going to happen. But it was comical, it was fun. But what I didn't get on camera was, after we left the ATV park, it was time to come home because we were having a family supper. And I was trying to take the quickest way back. The area was snow drifted and it was still really deep. And guess what? We both got stuck. It was deep, man, I ripped through it, but I got stuck because I stopped to look back to see that my young lad was stuck. Oh man, it was a comedy of errors. I didn't get any film of that, I didn't bother. GoPro battery's dead, I was tired. It was funny. So it was a good winching lesson. You never want to get two bikes stuck. You never do. But we sorted it out. He had a good time, it was great. Like I said, we haven't been out for a ride together in a long time. Got to shoot the breeze, just the two of us. It was awesome. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. I couldn't do this without you guys. Until the next video, do me a solid, watch another video right now. I'd appreciate it. Cheers.